Hello, people. Hello, hello, hello. Happy new month to you all. I'm making unripe plantain with some beans for my hobby. I'm going to add my plantain here. Making my beef stew. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I added a little bit of salt to my beans, but I think it wasn't enough, so I just added some more because I added plantain and I'm using unripe plantain. I'm using unripe plantain. How are you all doing? Happy new month. I hope you're enjoying your month already. God is going to help each and every one of us. He will grant us the utmost desires of our hearts. I think it's okay. This is for my stew. This is looking so beautiful. Let me see if I can show you. Can you see? Yep. This is how I'm doing it for now. Just bear with me. So in my blender I have onion, garlic, ginger, fresh peppers, a lot of onion. Yeah. I didn't put tomatoes because I didn't have tomatoes. So I'm using a lot of onion that will give it a very delicious taste. So you can do that also. My crayfish. This is prawns. Prawns already. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to add Maggi. scratch your head while you're cooking, make sure you wash your hands and wipe it up, okay? That's what I just did, okay? For my beans recipes, I don't like to add, a lot of Maggi or all of those seasonings. I just use the regular thing. I can use tatashe, I can use tomatoes. If I don't have tomatoes, I do the old school. Just fresh pepper, a lot of onion, garlic and ginger for health reason. And then some people don't even have garlic and ginger, so you can just add your fresh peppers. That'll do it. Yeah. The crayfish will add a lot of flavors to it. Look at that. See how delicious. Once this is cooked, mix everything together. You have a delicious beans and plantain, and it's more healthier if you're using unripe plantain. That's why I had to add it so that it can all cook together. The beans is cooked, but I want the plantain to cook very well. So I add everything together. Look at this, it's so good. Let's have a taste. It tastes fantastic. It tastes really, really good. Just one Maggi. Do you like a lot of Maggi in your food? I don't think it's good to eat too much salt. I don't think it's good to eat too much salt or too much Maggi. So please, if you're eating too much salt and Maggi, try to reduce it. Okay? I have bunga fish here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to add. Bunga fish. Just for my husband to be able to pick some pieces of fish. I don't want to do too much this morning. Bunga fish will infuse a lot of deliciousness in this. Bunga fish is really, really good. I think those days my mother uses wuropere, ukwa. If you know those fishes, let me know. Because she actually sells those stuff, so she can add wuropere, ukwa, stockfish into her beans recipe for my dad. My dad really ate good. We ate good. We ate good while growing up. We really ate good. So let me show you. My kitchen smells incredible. going to add everything in. All of these are going to my compost. I'm going to cut them into little pieces and throw them in my garden. By the way, my garden is really doing good. It's doing good. This is so good. Mm-mm-mm. Very delicious. Very, very delicious. We are going to enjoy this for real. The way I went about it. People don't know that. Some people don't know that preparation is what food is all about. The timing of when you put everything. The timing. I don't know what the Gen Zs are doing. I see some things they are doing, and I'm like, who taught them this way? you know, old school is always the best. Trust me. That's unwrapped plantain and beans. That's so good. This is a very good meal. Very good meal. It's ready. Let me show you the finish. I hope you try this. Thank you. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so yum. This is so yum, guys. Try this. This for myself. Yum, 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 yum. Come and eat. See you guys. Ciao.